Hello guys, this is Aryan. In this video I will tell you 10 lines essay about grass. Number 1. Grass is a type of plant with narrow leaves. Number 2. The color of grass is green. Number 3. Grass is a very common plant. Number 4. It is found all over the world. Number 5. We can play games on the grass. Number 6. Grass needs sunlight, water and air to grow fast. Number 7. People enjoy walking or sitting on the grass. Number 8. It makes our surroundings beautiful and fresh. Number 9. Animals like cows and horses eat grass as their main food. Number 10. It is often used as a natural ground cover. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, kindly subscribe the channel and stay tuned. Thank you.